Hello everyone, I'm from Raining Rosas and I'm in AFRIKERA Arts Trust. For the workshop of today we were learning Floorwork and we were learning also some acrobatics. So the idea of Floorwork is very good to understand how you can relax the body and you can work with the weight of the body also in this concept of spreading or expansion and then contraction. So we were working quite a bit on these ideas of going down, spread on the floor and then going up, and then later on we added some acrobatic, which was more about the directions. So after these 2 days of workshop, I hope they have understand the framework I use with Raining Rosas, which is from the theory we go to the warm-up, then we do some boot ground, which is like a heavy on the technique, and then I like to do some games, and at the end some consolidating exercise.